guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at the case of Neil versus North Antrim Magistrates Court that took place in 1992. In this case suggests that even if a right decision is arrived at without following the due process as laid out by statutes and administrative law, this decision will be rendered null and void. Please note that failure to give a fair hearing will result in a null and void decision, which means that if a party petitions the court for judicial review and the court finds that the hearing was unfair, then the decision arrived at will be rendered null and void upon review. So in this case, 4 youth were charged with various offenses as a result of robbery with violence at the committal proceedings before the magistrates' written statements. So these youth were charged with robbery, and the youth themselves refused to give any statements through fear. They said that they were afraid. So their mother gave this information to the police, and the police rendered this information to the magistrates' court. So the magistrates admitted the written statements on the ground that the boys had refused to give evidence through fear. So judicial review was sought on the ground that the magistrates' reason was untenable. So in this case went to both the divisional court and the House of Lords. It was held that witnesses' absence through fear must be established by admissible evidence, and even if such proof is available, there is still the question of whether in the interest of justice the evidence should be admitted. Since here the police evidence was essentially a third-party account of the witnesses' apprehensions, the House has decided that it should not have been admitted, and that its admission was a material irregularity. So in this case we see that the process was not really followed, whereby we are seeing that party account of evidence as opposed to the boys testifying themselves. So in this was a procedural flaw, and this shows that in any administrative decision making, if the process is not followed as laid out by the procedures and the laws, then the decision cannot be right. Even if a right decision is made, if the process of arriving to this decision is wrong, then the decision itself becomes wrong. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.